In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best steam mops in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these steam mops, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop. The O-Cedar as a microfiber steam mop would be an ideal option, especially if you're looking for quality steam mop that doesn't cost a fortune, but performs impressively good. From a design perspective, the O-Cedar looks really fancy and innovative, and the combination of red and gray give even more beauty to its visual appeal. If you're looking from the top, you would instantly notice that the handle is fairly large, while the place where you have to place your hand is large enough to be suitable for wide variety of hand sizes. As we are moving down, at the center, there are two dials, which comprise the control panel, so you can easily change your settings anytime you want. At the bottom, there is the mop head, which has a triangular construction, which I really like due to the fact that its design is exceptionally effective when you'd like to clean and reach every corner and edge of your house. Now, let's talk about the features. The O-Cedar comes with two microfiber pads that are washable up to 25 times, so you won't only be fully supplied before you start cleaning, but you will also have enough time before you purchase other pads. In addition, the included pads do a really good job in the cleaning process, because they can absorb a great amount of dirt, bacteria, and dust, so the hygiene of your house will be drastically improved. I would also want to mention that the users are very satisfied with the unit's weight, or to be more precise, its 5 pounds make it really easy to hold and operate, so you won't feel any strains during your cleaning sessions, and afterward. Moreover, this unit heats itself really quick as well, so before you start cleaning, you should wait only 20 seconds, which isn't that long, so you can spend more time to clean, instead of waiting. Overall, the O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop deserves your attention, because it doesn't cost much, but it performs like a way more expensive steam mop. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Shark Genius S5000 3D. The Shark Genius S5000 3D is a versatile steam mop that has been widely recognized due to the fact that this unit produces a great amount of steam that will wipe out even the hardest dirt. From a design perspective, the S5000 3D sports a silver, durable construction that holds a circular handle positioned at the top, 3-setting control that is placed at the lower part of the body, and of course, a mop head that will remove everything that comes in front of their way. As the case with our previous model, the unit's box includes 2 grip pads as well, that you can place at the head, and they will ensure that everything that appears in front of them will be effectively cleaned without any problem. Moving on, the S5000 3D has a water tank with a capacity of 350 milliliters, which is really good for its price tag, and what's also good about this steam mop is its 22 feet cord that will provide you with a huge cleaning space, so you can reach most, if not all the parts of your house. But now, let's talk about the performance. The Shark Genius S5000 3D uses the touch-free technology, which means that you wouldn't have to lose much time in order to attach the dirt grip pad to your mop, since everything is convenient. Or to be more precise, there is a button, so all you have to do is just to click it, and after you release it, you can instantly start cleaning. I would also want to inform you that the included dirt grip pads have dual sides, and they are specifically designed to keep fixed in place, and to absorb everything, as you're moving. After you're done with cleaning, then you can put them into a washing machine, and reuse them again, which is super cool. To conclude, if you're looking for a versatile and quality steam mop that can remove even the hardest stains, then the Shark Genius S5000 3D would be a top choice for you. Next up, at number 3, we have the Bissell PowerFresh 1940. The Bissell PowerFresh 1940 is an exceptionally effective steam mop that offers a great value for its actual price, due to the fact that it can be used for floor cleaning, tile cleaning, and even cleaning hard floors, so let's find out what are the other capabilities. From a design perspective, the PowerFresh 1940 looks gorgeous, regardless of your viewing position, because the combination of blue and white will always make you feel relaxed during your cleaning sessions. At the front, there is the variable steam control, that consists of 3 modes, such as the low, medium, and high, so you can use each of them according to the workload, while at the bottom, there is the built-in scrubber, on which you can place the scent discs and the microfiber mop pads, that are included in the box. Moreover, the handle is covered with a rugged rubber grip, which I really like, since nobody wants to feel strains during the cleaning process on one side, while on the other, the handle feels good on tough, so you can maneuver this unit easily. I'd also want to mention that, at the top of the main body, there is the water tank, which is removable, so you can quickly fill the tank, and set it back, and start cleaning again without losing any time. Just take in mind that the manufacturer recommends you to avoid using chemicals in the water tank, because the chemicals may cause problems. Now, let's talk about the features. The Bissell PowerFresh 1940 has 1500 watts of power, can kill up to 99.9% of the germs and bacteria on the surface that you're cleaning, because as you're moving forward, this unit will sanitize your floors without using any chemicals. In addition, thanks to its scrubber, and the included fragrance discs, you shouldn't worry about your floor, since the PowerFresh 1940 will never scratch your floor, regardless if it is a hardwood, marble, ceramic, or similar. Overall, I strongly recommend you the Bissell PowerFresh 1940, if you're looking for a steam mop that justifies its price tag, and offers even more value for its cost. Moving on, at number 2, we have the McCulloch MC1275. The McCulloch MC1275 would be an extremely good option, if you want to invest in a heavy-duty steam cleaner that comes with 18 additional accessories, that will equip you with endless cleaning possibilities, with the intention to ensure that you can reach and clean every single place of your house. From a design perspective, the MC1275 boasts an elegant and compact construction, that is finished in glossy black, but you can also notice the yellow color that occupies the rear part of its body. At the bottom, there are its caster wheels, which will help you have a greater control and mobility over the unit, since the caster wheels will roll smoothly, and won't scratch your floor. At the front, there is the on-off switch, that is strategically positioned, so you can reach it any time, without any fuss. In addition, this unit comes with a really long, 10-foot hose, and a 15.7-foot power cord, which I really like, since you won't have any problems in terms of maneuverability. But that's not all. This cleaner comes with 18 accessories, such as a floor mop, mop pads, scrub pad, nylon brushes and much more, so as you can see, you will be fully equipped with everything, and you can use it as a steam mop, or as an ordinary steam cleaner without any problem. But now, let's talk about the performance. The MC1275 can provide 45 minutes of continuous steam, which is amazing, due to the fact that you will have enough time to clean every corner, and every room of your house. As a proof of powerful it is, I'd like to inform you that this unit has 1500 watts of heating power, so there won't be virtually anything that it won't clean. If you want to use it as a steam mop, then all you have to do is just attach the included microfiber pads, and start cleaning every type of surface, such as wood, laminate tile, and after you're done, every part that you've passed, will simply shine. To conclude, if you're looking for a versatile and feature-full steam mop, then this would be a top choice for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell Symphony 1132A. The Bissell Symphony 1132A is a high-end, 2-in-1 vacuum and steam mop, that is being constantly purchased by the customers on the market. That's why, let's get into action right away, in order to find out what's the secret behind its success. From a design perspective, the Bissell Symphony 1132A features a good-looking body, finished in gray and blue, that holds a 5-way adjustable handle, a 12.8-ounce water tank, and a really durable mop head, that will preserve its original look and quality, for a really long period of time. At the handle, you will also find the digital controls, which are really wisely positioned, since you can always access them with your fingers, and do plenty of adjustments during your cleaning sessions. Another great thing about this steam mop is that it comes with 4 mop pads. You will also notice that the steam mop will attach to them without any problem, so for now, I really can't find any remarks. But let's not forget that this unit has a 25 feet power cord, that you will appreciate having it, due to the fact that you would be able to move and clean everything precisely. Now, let's talk about the features. The Symphony 1132A is suitable for any type of surface, regardless you want to clean hard floors, or bare floors, since its 120 volts will ensure that you will clean everything within a really short period of time. In addition, this model warms up in 30 seconds, which is amazing, because you would have more time to clean, and less time to wait. I would also want to mention that the included microfiber mop pads are completely washable, and 2 of them are soft, while the other 2 are for scrubbing, so you can always choose the one that suits your needs the best. Finally, users claim that the Symphony 1132A is also very effective when it comes to the sanitizing, so for example, if you have a sticky dirt, with only a few glides, the dirt will completely disappear. Overall, you should consider the Symphony 1132A seriously, because this steam mop performs exceptionally good, and will never disappoint you with its performance. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these steam mops, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.